Good morning. Welcome to the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and InstaPro Traders. It's Tuesday, March the 14th, about 4:55 Central Standard Time. For the next 3 to 5 minutes, going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, possible areas of consolidation. So let's take a look and get started. Looks like last night we had open up at 23.74. Yeah, tweaked in a little bit of overnight high here at 74.75. Overnight lows, the 69.25, about a 5 point range to last night. No big deal. Currently, we're right back at the top of this zone, and the 24-hour VWAP looking to move back up. And let's just go with the upside since that's where it's heading right now. Now, should we continue to break this zone, pop up to the open again, look for it to come back and test the top of this zone again one more time, and then head up into this next zone right up in here. The overnight high is 74.75, possibly up to 75.25. Look for a pullback, retesting this open again, about 74, and then look for us to move right back up into this next zone, probably somewhere around the 77 area, and come back and retest yesterday's high around the 75 area, maybe even all the way down, test this open again, and bounce right back up and head to the next zone. 78 to 80, right in this area. Now, after that, look for a pullback to the top of this zone again. Been a lot of resistance there from sellers as they step in, try to keep this market down on us. Now, if we can kind of hold somewhere around the 77 area and push right back through this and get above this zone, again, look for a test at the bottom and then right up to the next zone, 82, 84. And then we've got follow-up zones to the upside right around the 88, 90 area. So be careful right in this area. Look for some major reverses. And of course, we do have zones on up into this 2400, if you remember from this a couple days ago. So let's take a look at the downside. More dangerous right now. If we fail this area or fail the open and come right back through there, we're going to head for this overnight low of 69 again, do some more consolidation right in this whole area. And if it looks to fail past in here, then watch out. We're going to come down and test yesterday's low at 68, come back up and test the high, or excuse me, right here at 23.7075, yesterday's open. And if we hold that, then look for it to come all the way down into this zone, probably down to where this structure is right here to the left, 26 or 23.66, and then right back up to test this area right in here at 67.75, and look for it to come all the way back down. Test this low as 61, possibly all the way back down to the 60 area. Now again, let's squeeze this together. We need just to kind of hold this area. If we don't hold this 66 type area, there might be one more retest up to here, but I doubt it. It's going to push right down below this zone and keep right on trucking. We're going to hit this 60 zone in here and then all the way down to yesterday's low of 54. And again, if the buyers don't start stepping in, and this is where you look for major reversal area, is right in here. Now, if they don't, we're going to retest this area right in here at 56 and head on down to 52, 50 area, follow-up zones 46, 42, where we got some key support right in this area. Don't expect that, but with this market, who knows? So let's take a look at market profile and take a look at the big picture. So we look at the big picture on a daily time frame. You can see we're right here at 2368.75 on a continuous contract. Just hold above this 2362 area. Now we've got to hold that. We've bounced off it once. We need to hold it and continue on up if we're going to go to the upside. So any kind of move like that down to touch the 62 is a buy, and let it bounce off here one more time and see what happens. Now, if it fails this, obviously, down here, here's that 42 area we're talking about, and it can get down there awful fast. But we get down to this 42 to 35 area, 38.2 retracement area, look for a reversal sometime somewhere in this area for a good bounce as we start to head back up to the long side. For our chart, just consolidating sideways on this channel between 75 and 60. And until we break above this 75 and hold above it, go into this next zone up to 81 and then look for a next move up to 99. Okay, obviously we fell it, you can see right here. Possibly hold the 50 area, top of the consolidation zone over into this area. But if we fail it again, 42. But if we break that 42 area, like I said, down to the 30s, 17, and then 2300 again. That's where we could run into problems. So keep an eye on the overall picture on a 4-hour chart. And if you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.